Hello people. Today we're going to be driving a train. It's no it's not any ordinary train. It's a BC Rail freight train with a two BC Rail Dash 9s numbered 4649, 4647. Then you got two BNSF Dash 9s 4942 and 4657. Then got a Union Pacific C44AC 7142, or in other words, a Dash 9. Then you have, let's go to, then you got another two more BNSF Dash 9s, 5291 and 5843. Then there is one more Dash 9 in the middle. It is a CN Dash 9. Let's go and take a look at its number. And by the way, I'm going to be doing a video on this locomotive, and not this locomotive, but the BC Rail Dash 9s, on how to get them to look how they are. It's basically using this shape file. So, actually, what was I going to say? Oh, right. If you guys enjoyed the content, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 50 subs before my birthday, so if we can do that, that would be amazing. You guys are amazing people, so if we can do that, this is gonna be really good, because I've been doing this for like 4 years. I took like a year break, so I hope you guys enjoy the content. And if you like the content, please subscribe. But without further ado, let's get going. Just wanted to say, guys, this AC unit on the side, the AC unit, for some reason, it's the AC unit. I used it for a shape file, so it's like screwed up. The original ENG files had a bell on the top, but it still looks good even without it. But it did have rock lights. Real quick. BCR, how big is this file? 2, okay. Okay. Control C, all of these. Alright, so I can give you guys 3 of these. There are an extra few that I'll give you just all 4 or 5 of these. So they are free to download on my Discord server. I left a link on my other videos, but I'll leave a link to that. Let's do the process here. this crossing. This crossing is super under detailed, but it's for some reason like that. It's just normal how the GT Oshawa. And also, could you, if you guys know any links to how to how to get Railroad Xing Rick's crossings, you guys probably know who he is, but his name is Railroad Xing Rick. He's made videos. He stopped making videos like a year ago. But if you guys know any links, please give them to me or leave any links to on how to get them into there, because I know where the lights and bells and stuff are, but I just can't get them into the game. It's impossible. It's not okay. Sorry, I can't speak right now, but it's just impossible for me. I don't know how to get them in there. But if you guys have any links, you can leave them in the comment section below. And I see that my GVO 12 video almost has 200 views. I'm pretty sure it already does, but sorry for me rambling on. We can continue. Right, 8 miles per hour. Should have added it instead of a Union Pacific or not. Probably should have gave it. Here, let me just pause this. I already see a crossing. We're gonna do the horn sequence because this is the best part of the train. Sorry. This is a freeware route, but the train sets for this route cost $15. The train sets are amazing. I don't have the train sets, but they are really good. I've seen videos. So, since I have X tracks, I'm assuming this is going to need new roads too. This kind of looks like a Griswold design. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, let me get into a good position here. Like that one video. It's called the Katie Heritage SC78C. It had it on there. Off of digital rails, but I configured them so I could have like that with that shape file with just no rock lights or bell on top of the cab. I could have it with the bell on top of the cab, but there was something wrong with it, and I couldn't get it to do that. I'm off the power. How am I still gonna gain speed? Oh, here comes our dash 9. I need to slow this train down. Once this train passes the crossing, I'm going to leave. Okay, well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please sub for the 50 subscriber. If we hit 50 subs, I'll do a 50 subscriber special. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.